Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to find a basic treasure hunt in Hotwheels. So I'm just going to give you two examples. Let's start with this one. So this is a 95 Jeep Cherokee, and this is the first one which I found. So let me show you this. So if you see this car real close, you can see a small logo here, like a fire logo, fire emblem. So this is how you find the treasure hunt. Either you can see it in the car or you can see in the card itself. So right now I don't have the card which came with this particular car, but I will show you the another one which I bought it 2 days back. So this is a second treasure hunt. So this is a Toyota Land Cruiser. So I'm going to unbox this shortly. So if you can see here, you can see the same logo in the card itself. So here you can see this one, and apart from that you can see it here, the rear end of the car. So that's it guys, this is how you find a basic treasure hunt in Hotwheels. So if you like this video, hit the thumbs up. If you love my video, subscribe, and more videos like this on the way. So please make sure you subscribe and support. Thanks for watching this video guys. Have a great day. Goodbye.